welcome back to my channel. Please ignore the background noise because I'm at hostel, so थोड़ी बहुत आवाज़ें आती रहेंगी. You just need to ignore that and ignore my background too because this is the reason I don't shoot that often, you know. This time I'm here with a clothing try-on haul, and I'm doing such video for the very first time. So please ignore all my blunders because I know there are going to be blunders. Anyways, we'll just start with the video. I ordered a lot of stuff from different websites, being Urbanic, Street Style Store, Bewakoof, and a few items bought from offline stores as well. So I'm going to do a haul of all of those clothing items, and I've bought all of these in a span of 15 days, I guess. So it's fair to do a clothing haul. It's not like few clothes are very old or few clothes are very new. All of them are new and actually brand new, and I'll be inserting a clip here or here somewhere. I think I should shift here and I'll insert a clip here, and please ignore the mess I've created here. Like literally it's a mess, and ignore my bed sheet, a Chhota Bheem bed sheet. I know this is already way too embarrassing, but please ignore everything and just focus on the try on haul if you can, please. I'll be really grateful. Anyway, I don't remember the prices exactly, so I'll be inserting the prices here as well, and I'll be giving the link down in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so this top is from Street Style Store. It's a ribbed top and it is literally the cutest color. This is the first maroon top I own, I guess. Yes, this is the first maroon top I own, and I really like it. The color really suits me. It's not warm at all because, you know, ribbed tops are really warm, but it's not. It's like a body hugging top, so I'll recommend to get a size up. If you are a small, get a medium. If you are a medium, get a large, because these are body hugging and you need some air to breathe, don't you? So yeah, so get a size larger than what you usually purchase. Then this jeans from Urbanic. It is the best straight jeans I ever own, or I can ever own, literally. The color, the material, everything is so top notch that you have to purchase it. Again, the link will be in the description box. So it's a denim light blue jeans, and it is a high rise jeans and a straight jeans as well. It has some details like this, which I cannot stand and show, so here it will be visible, and it has a white chain. It had a white chain which I removed because it didn't really go with any look as such, and it was like looking too extra. I might wear it sometime if I want to be extra, but not right now. So yeah, let's move on to another top I purchased from SSS. I'm not going in any order as such because जो मेरे हाथ लग रहा है मैं वो दिखा दूँगी आपको. That's how we're gonna roll today. So this is the second top I got from SSS. This is like a brown color, I guess, a brown color, and this is so pretty. Like you can literally see here, this is looking so gorgeous. And actually I got 3 tops at the rate 800. So I got these, this and another one which I'll be showing soon. These 3 tops at the rate 800 rupees. Another top, the third top which I got at the rate 800, 3 tops. Okay, this one, this white top, and it looks so cool with the jeans I got from Urbanic. I'll talk about it later, but you just see here, the top is really cute. The color, it's again ribbed. It's just another color in this maroon one, and I really like this. You should have basics in your wardrobe. Okay, you should have a basic black, a white color at least, if not other colors. Now let's move on to another website, that is Bewakoof.com. So I have purchased a lot of items from Bewakoof earlier. Like I have purchased 2 tops earlier. Like if you know, Bewakoof is really known for its boyfriend t-shirts, and I love boyfriend t-shirts, so I have purchased its boyfriend t-shirts before. And this time I went for something different. It's not a boyfriend t-shirt. It's a simple t-shirt which is not too tight and not too loose. It's just the perfect style I wanted. And it's really cute. Like, look at the color. First of all, I literally went for it just because of its color, because I love this color. I wish if it was plain this color, but anyways, I'm okay with it. And again, the price will be given here because I don't remember. It's a large. I got a large because no other size was available, but I got it fitted to my size. So yeah, it really looks cool. And you can tuck it, you can tuck it halfway and leave the other half loose, which I really like doing. So this is really cute, and this is pure cotton. If you know, Bewakoof's tops are pure cotton. So there's another top which is literally my favorite. Like, I don't care about other tops. This is my favorite. So I've been obsessed with lilac lavender color lately, and in this haul there are two items that are lilac. I just realized right now. Anyways, so this is the top, and I've actually worn it a lot. इसलिए ये ऐसा हो गया. Please ignore it. This is like the prettiest top ever. Like, it's ribbed and it's high neck. I love the style. Like, it's ribbed and it's high neck. I love this style, whatever it is called. And it's a size medium, but it's loose to me, so I'll suggest to go a size down in this case. Like, if you're a medium, purchase a small, because this is really loose to me. You can literally see here. So, but I still like it, like, it gives the boyfriend vibes, but sorry, boyfriend top vibes. I might get it fitted and might not, depends, but I really like it. The color, the feels, everything is top notch. Another jeans which I purchased is like really the cutest jeans ever. Like, this is, see, look at the color. It's black, it's straight, it's high rise, and it's got butterflies here. That's the cutest thing you'll ever see today, because look at that. And you can literally see, after making a whole outfit out of it, it looks so pretty and so cool. I'm totally in love with this jeans, and the material is not the best. I would say it's too thick, and it's not the jean material, like, not the denim material, I guess, or whatsoever, but it's a different material, but I still like it. And the fit, actually, yeah, you have to go through the size chart to pick your exact size. Just read the waist portion, and if you're a 30, go for 29.1. It'll fit you good. And the fit is really cool. It's like a little loose from the waist but tight from the hip area, I would say, and it looks really sexy. So I would really recommend this jeans. So yeah, purchase it. And it was for about 1300 something. I'll mention the price here again, but it was expensive than this one, but the quality of this one is better than this one. But I like both of them, so yeah. Yeah, that's it for the clothing items. Now there is something which I'll reveal at last in the end. Why? Because that's my birthday dress. So tomorrow is my birthday. Today is 14th. Like, while I'm shooting this video, it's 14th, and I purchased a dress from a store called And. If you like, every city has got a store of And, I guess. Anyways, this is the dress. Like, it's the prettiest dress ever. Why did I got this? Only for the color. I'm not even kidding. I got this dress only for the sake of its color. It's a little expensive. I won't say it's expensive because it's my birthday dress, so I won't mind spending the money, but it's for 2500. Yes, it's for 2500, and it's really simple, very simple dress, but I think the price is for its color mainly and the brand name. Anyways, it's really pretty, and the material is very, not too thick, not too thin. Like, it's not sheer. Dresses are usually sheer, but it's not sheer, so that's the best part. It's a little translucent though, but not exactly sheer. See, you cannot exactly see the skin. Overall, it's the best birthday dress I've ever got. Like literally, I love this. And yeah, that's it for the haul. I guess it ended really soon, but I purchased only these items, so I cannot even complain, I cannot say anything. But I think even they are like, please ignore how the top is behaving right now. It's not behaving well, but anyways. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found something that you wanted to purchase or that you liked so much that you are like, okay, now I'm gonna shop. If yes, then please tell me in the comment section, what are you going to purchase out of these items? And please like, share, comment as usual. Press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And yeah, please do follow me on Instagram because I upload a little bit of content there too. So if you're interested, you can follow me on Instagram. It's here. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you next time.